Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter first of our English Junction book, that is The Missing Bat. It is written by Vaishali Shroff. In this story is about Abdul Rahman, who is the owner of a big cricket bat factory. One day a bat from his stock is missing. In this we will read about how and where he found that bat. Abdul Rahman Chacha owned a big cricket bat factory in Sangam near Srinagar. One could see cricket bats neatly stacked in rows all around his factory. Chacha was an old man with a hunchback. He was always frowning and always on his feet, tapping his walking stick as he went, trying to see what his workers were done. Chacha here is Hindi word for uncle, sometimes used to refer respectfully to someone older. किसी बड़े के लिए respectfully बोलने के लिए. Stacked means piled one on top of another, एक के बाद एक रखा हुआ. Hunchback means someone whose back is bent forward, जिसका बैक थोड़ा आगे झुका हुआ, मतलब वो थोड़े झुके हुए थे. So this story is about Abdul Rahman Chacha. Chacha, we refer to him as a Chacha because he is the elder. We respectfully they refer as Chacha, and he is owner of a big cricket factory in Sangam, which is near Srinagar. And in his factory, the beds are placed properly in his factory. In stacked means after one piled after another. And Chacha is a old man. He is very old, so his back is bent forward, वो आगे की तरफ झुके हुए हैं. And he is always roaming around in the factory to see that his workers are working properly or not, or means his stock, also checking his stock that they are properly maintaining that or not. Ahmed's father, Amir, was a worker at Chacha's factory. Ahmed stayed with him at the factory every day after school. He would stare at the tall stands of cricket bats in awe. He liked to hold and run his fingers across the bats after his fathers had shaped them with his machine. Gripping one by its handle, he would swing it in the air with a flick of the wrist. A flick means sudden or quick movement. Ahmed is one of the worker in Chacha's factory. Okay, he has a son named Amir. Amir always come to the factory after the school with Ahmed, and he always stay there after the school. He stare at the stacks, means he stare at the beds placed in the factory, and he always wants to play with them, and he hold that bed and cross the finger. He just cross the finger around the bat after his father prepared that bat in the machine. They prepared bats in the machine. He always grip the handle, and he always try to practice the bat with the movements of his waist, means he wants to play the cricket, so he just take the bat and try to practice with it in the factory. If Chacha caught Ahmed with a bat in his hands, he would clear his throat and say, "That's not a plaything, boy. Put it back." And under Chacha's watchful eye, Ahmed would put the bat in its place. Did the old man know that he dreamed of being Sachin Tendulkar someday? Also, when Amir is playing with the bat, if Chacha see him, then he watch him like with stare him with his eyes, and then he say him that that's not for the play, because he is very conscious about his things, his stock and all. So he don't want other to spoil it. So he just scold him that that's not for the play thing, and you should put it back to the stack only. And with that, Ahmed took the bat from the Amir and then put it back at its place. And because Chacha didn't know that the Amir has a dream to become Sachin Tendulkar one day, means he wants to become like Sachin Tendulkar one day. But Chacha did not want his stock to spoil by the others. Chacha was very particular about his stock. He liked to count the number of beds in his warehouse. He did this every evening before the workers left from home, and every morning as he loaded the beds onto his trucks. He had imagined how he would play detective if any of his beds went missing. Here, play detective means pretend as if one is solving a crime. As Chacha is very particular about his stock, he checked the stock every day in the evening, and so before the workers left, he count the number of bat, and in the morning also when he loaded the bats in the truck, means जब वो शिफ्टिंग के लिए बेचने के लिए ट्रक में लोड करते हैं, also when also he just count the number of bats. So he always imagined if one bat got missing, then he will be acting like the detective, just find everything in clue and all. So he will act like the detective and find the bat, and if bat or any other stock missing from his factory.